we have given inverse function g is equal negative 1/2 x plus 5, and we have to find g function. So first we will rewrite our inverse function g. This is equal negative 1/2 x plus 5. Next we will replace g, inverse function of g, by y. G, inverse function of g, we will replace by y. So we have y is equal negative 1/2 x plus 5. Next, we will interchange x and y. So we have x is equal negative 1/2 y plus 5. Next step is to solve this equation for y. So I will move 5 to the left side, so it will be x minus 5 is equal negative 1/2 y. Next, because we want to have y, so I will multiply both sides by negative 2 to reduce this number before y. Both sides we multiply by negative 2. All expression on the left and on the right. So we see that 2 we can reduce with 2. Negative times negative give me positive. And on the left side we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by negative 2. So negative 2 times x, so this is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 5, so this is positive 10. And this is equal y. We found the y. So now we need to replace y by g of x. So we have that, and we change the sides. G of x is equal negative 2x plus 10. We found our g function. To check if our solution is correct, we will form the composition of g and inverse of g with g, and we should obtain identity function. So g, composition of g and inverse of g should be equal x, and composition of inverse function g and g should be equal x. Let's see. So we have g of inverse of g. So this is equal. We have to substitute inverse function of g by the given formula. So g we copy, and we have negative 1/2 x plus 5. This is equal. Now we have to go to formula which we calculate that the g of x is negative 2x plus 10. So we have to substitute x in this formula by whatever we have here in parentheses. So negative 2 we copy. Like I said, x we have to substitute by this expression. So we have in parentheses negative 1/2 x plus 5, and we have plus 10. So this is equal. Have to multiply every expression in parentheses by negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 1/2, so we'll reduce, so we'll have only x, and negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, and we have plus 10. So we see that this is equal x. We got identity function. And now we have to check in composition of inverse function fg is equal x. So this is equal. We have inverse function of g of x, we calculate that this is negative 2x plus 10. So this is equal. And now we have to go to our inverse function g, which we have given at the beginning. So this is negative 1 half x plus 5. And x, in this formula, we have to substitute by whatever we have here in parentheses. So we copy negative 1 half x, we substitute by negative 2x plus 10, and we have plus 5. I just substitute this formula x by negative 2x plus 10. So this is equal negative 1 half times 2, so 2x, so will be x, negative 1 half times 10, so this is negative 5 plus 5, we copy. We see that negative 5 plus 5 give me 0, so we have only x. We got identity function. It means our solution is correct. This is our g function. Negative 2x plus 10. We got here that the g function is linear function, and inverse of g was also linear function, the domain of linear function, and the range is all real numbers, and the domain and the range of our g function, linear function, is also all real numbers. So the domain of g is equal to the range of inverse function and vice versa. So everything is correct.